Volume of 3D objects. Volume is the measure of the capacity that an object holds. Let's start to find out volume for 3D objects. For a cube, volume can be calculated by multiplying length, width and height. As you can see here, this is a cube and it's made out of 6 identical faces. All of them are square, so all the dimensions will measure equal. So here I have taken 10 centimeter. So we apply that into the volume formula of this cube and we multiply them together. 10 times 10 times 10. So we get 1000 cubic centimeter. That is the volume of cube. Let's find out the volume for cuboid. To get the volume for a cuboid, we have to multiply length, width and height of the cuboid. So here it's given as 20 centimeter, that is the length, and the width is here, that is 8 centimeter, and height, that is 10. So when we multiply them together, we get 1600 cubic centimeter. That is a volume for cuboid. For a triangle prism, the volume can be calculated by multiplying area of the cross section and the length. So when it comes to area of the cross section, we have to take this triangular face as the cross section of the area, and then we'll see how we can find the area for the triangle. That is half into base into height. So half into base, that is 5, and here the height, that is given as 4. So when we multiply that, we get 10 centimeter square. So after we get the area of the cross section, we apply that into volume formula of the triangle prism, and then after we multiply with the length, that is given as 14 centimeter. So when we multiply them, we get 140 cubic centimeter. That is a volume for a triangular prism. So let's see how to find the volume for a pyramid. For a pyramid, the volume formula is 1/3 area of the base times height. So first we find out the area of the base, and here I have taken a square base pyramid. So square means all the sides measure equal. So I have taken 10 here. So for the area, that is length multiplied by height. So 10 times 10, that is 100 centimeter square. After we find out that area, we apply that into the volume formula of the pyramid. That is 1/3. So 1/3 is here, and 100 centimeter squares. That is the area of the base, and multiply by height. So that is given as 12 centimeter. So when we multiply that, we get 4 times into 100, that is 400 cubic centimeter. So that's how we have to find out volume for a pyramid. And let's see how to find the volume for a cylinder. So that is given as area of the base multiplied by height. So area of the base means here, that is pi r squared. So pi means that is 3.14, and r means r is the radius, that is given as 5 here, and r squared means r times r. So 3.14 times 5 times 5. So we get 78.5 centimeter squares. That is the area of the base of this cylinder. And then after we can apply that into volume formula, and we multiply with the height, which is given as 10 centimeter. So we get 785 cubic centimeter. That is a volume for this cylinder. And for a cone, the volume can be calculated by multiplying this formula. 1/3 pi r square times h, that is the height. So pi r square is the area of the base. So let's see how we can find out the volume. This is 1/3 and pi, that is 3.14. R squared means r times r, and r is the radius. So here you can find the radius, that is 7. So 7 times 7, and the height, that is 9 here. So when we multiply them, we get 1384.74 cubic meter. That is a volume for a cone. And let's see how to find the volume for the sphere. So the formula is given by this 4/3 pi r cube. So r cube means r times r times r. So 4/3, that is here, and pi, that is 3.14. R cube means the radius here, so that is given as 5. So 5 times 5 times 1. So when we do that, we get 523.33 cubic centimeter. So that's how we can find the volume for a sphere. And here this is a summary for 3D objects. These are the volume formula for the 3D objects. So by using these volume formulas, we can calculate the volume for 3D objects.